So guys, I'm gonna teach to you on how we reload our GOMO SIM card with 499 UNLI data for 1 month. Talaga guys, legit po talaga guys. Totoong 1 month at UNLI data siya. Even though it has a 5 Mbps, minimum speed lang po yun. At totoo po, talagang buong pamilya nyo po makakagamit nito. So, naglo-loading pa po guys. So, let's open the app and look down below the icons. Go to shop icon and find the data offers and click there. You see UNLI data and buy for $4.99, and of course you choose GCASH or credit card or debit card, so I choose GCASH. So sa $4.99 guys, $4.99 lang po, wala na pong additional fees. $4.99 lang po talaga, and make sure na yung GCash po ninyo is may laman guys ha. So here, I'm inputting my details guys regarding my GCash, my GCash number, my, of course, the PIN code that is sent to me. So just wait for a few seconds guys. Few steps lang po guys. Halagang $4.99, may 1 month ka na UNLI data promo. Yes guys, this is great for online students. Okay, so I'm logging into my GCash and of course click pay 499 pesos, and yeah, successfully paid. So, automatic na po yan guys na mag-pay. You can either, ano naman guys, ito po yung message niya. You can either pay the promo in the GCash app, or for an easier way, you can have it in the GOMO app. Sa akin guys, mas easier way yung GOMO app. And yeah guys, this is all the process. These are all the process guys. I hope natulungan ko po kayo. And now, let's see, as you can see, UNLI data na po, unlimited na po, and talagang very affordable for its price. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.